2 years ago, the name Arthur Fleck hit Gotham like a hurricane.
The trial of the century.
They believe Arthur Fleck to be some kind of martyr. Well, he's not. There's a monster.
When you're smiling, when you're smiling,
When I first saw Joker, when I saw you,
the whole world smiles with you.
for once in my life, I didn't feel so alone anymore.
When you're laughing, oh, when you're laughing, the sun comes shining through. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me.
How about you, Arthur? Do you still think you're a star?
Showtime. The whole world smiles with you.
You can do anything you want.
The sun comes
You're Joker.
Look around! Look at all these people!
Bring on,
I will no longer allow any of you
so stop your sighing.
to keep me down!
Be happy again.
I got the sneaking suspicion that we're not giving the people what they want.
It's okay, baby. Let's give the people what they want. Sing hallelujah. Come on, get happy. Get ready for the judgment day.
Monsters.
Yeah.
It's good to have the gang back together again.
Ain't this old man Carruthers' property?
I've heard stories about him. Some people think he was a spy, bank robber. I bet their bodies are buried somewhere on this property. That's one in.
Tracy there.
What is that?
A teenager is recovering today after nearly drowning.
Hey, Ben. Something happened to Ben that I can't explain. It's like he's a zombie at Night of the Living Dead.
You okay, bud?
Oh my!
What are you,
Hey
nuts?
guys, it's okay. I invited him.
Easy, fella.
This is Gene. He's a detective.
Retired. Well, there's more of you. I'm gonna have to dig a mass grave now.
What? Something is out there. If we sit around and do nothing, kids are gonna get hurt, including us. It came after me, man. What came after you?
There's definitely something weird going on here. Monsters.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Not us. Who? Let's do this.
The kids have this vacant look in their eyes. Lights are on, nobody's home. You are overreacting. It's just kids being kids.
Think we're I'm not an ordinary 10-year-old kid. Then again, no one's ordinary.
Well, he can't change the way he looks. So, maybe we can change the way we see.
Tell me about this new school of yours.
Right now, I'm just trying to fit in. It's kind of been my motto ever since I left my old school.
Julien, you did not leave your old school. You were expelled for being cruel to another boy. I'm sure your father has told you stories about when I was a young girl.
He says you don't really like to talk about it.
I don't. But now, I think, for your sake, I must.
Excuse me.
Oh, God, what is he doing?
I saw this on your desk.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I didn't even know his name.
Look at this freak.
But we had in common one crucial thing.
He's really good. For a Jew.
We had both seen how much hate people are capable of.
One of the children's missing.
Find him!
And how much courage it took to be kind.
You need to come with me right now. I know a way out.
You stay with us, okay? When in dark times, those small things remind us of our humanity.
How would you like to visit New York tonight?
Sure.
Open your eyes.
I was never very nice to you. But you're strong. You're the bravest person I've ever met.
You forget many things in life, but you never forget kindness. Because when kindness can cost you your life, it becomes like a miracle.
Good morning, Aki. Come on, kiddo. It's practice time.
I'm sorry, Dad. I just can't do it.
That beam is destroying all life on the peninsula.
Who would create something that does that?
The creatures in the city, they're dangerous.
A squiggler is never going to be strong enough. I need that octopus.
I just wish I could show Dad what I can do.
What are you waiting for? Go get him!
This is all my fault. How am I meant to find my dad? You sure you know the way?
You'll never escape the forest.
You can't just go charging out there. It's not safe.
Here, in my wonderful city of light, I strive to help you become the epitome of perfection.
Wow. A tentacle!
Tentacles? They are rare.
What are you going to do with her? Something truly important.
Dad? You need to stop this.
You don't have a choice.
You shouldn't have to change. No one should.
I know what I'm doing. Dad, trust me. Nothing to it, but to do it.
You could turn the shed into a yoga studio.
Arthur worked in it. Nothing could stop him from his life's work.
What is that?
It's whiskey.
No, I'm taking a drink, babe. I want it.
Oh. To Arthur.
Oh, to Arthur. I know we're supposed to embrace getting old, but it's such a drag.
Youth is wasted on the young.
Look at these puppies. What are we gonna do? You never heard him say that he discovered the elixir of youth in a bottle of scotch? You're never too old to become young. Exactly. Let's go, girls.
How old are you?
I'm 72. This place is on fire.
Cheers. Oh.
Good morning.
Who are you? Huh? Are you his mom?
So it lasts 6 hours.
We need to blend in.
We are going
To Las Vegas.
No holds barred.
We've done so much together over the years. The friendship.
Don't you mind getting older?
When you're young, you don't see what's right in front of you.
What do you see now?
A beautiful woman deciding what to do with the rest of her life.
A clash, past and present.
Am I falling in love?
Never stop living.
Do you believe in God? I think you must. Because you believe in me.
I love you, baby. I love you too, Mom. What's that?
dinner bell. I bet you're a wonderful mother.
Mom!
Jesus, Mindy, you all right?
You hear it too, right? It's not just me.
Mom, what's wrong with you?
It turns out monsters are real. And there's one downstairs.
You wouldn't believe some of the things that we see. What's that?
Just give me the girl.
You won't have Alice. What if I find you something else to eat?
Are you hungry?
Where is he?
You underestimate me.
Mom!
No need to be afraid.
Maître, on peut faire une pause un peu là? Putain, quel enfer!
Mais ça va pas la tête? T'es fou de le déranger comme ça, tu sais qui c'est?
Daaaaaali est probablement
On est là!
le seul artiste encore vivant sur cette planète. La caméra, énorme ou gigantesque? Moteur! Il y a une chose que je déteste encore plus que les enfants, c'est les dessins de les enfants. Ça, je ne peux pas les supporter. C'est moi, un plus vieux.
Un vieux vous?
Oui, très vieux, très laid. En chaise roulante.
Alors voilà, ça commence en enfer.
En enfer. C'est inadmissible. Pablo! Voilà!
Monsieur Daali, s'il vous plaît!
Mais je ne vous entends pas. Là, en ce moment même, il y a une pluie de chiens morts. Oh. Là, c'est un lit.
Je voulais pas vous décourager, vous avez l'air tout excité par le projet, mais entre nous, une boulangère qui veut faire un documentaire sur un peintre.
漫画家か。京本？誰それ？
隣の組にいる不登校の子。
藤野先生！京本？藤野先生は漫画の天才です。
私もっと絵うまくなるね。藤野ちゃんみたいに。
京本も私の背中見て成長するんだな。あんたいつまで漫画描いてんの？そろそろ絵描くの卒業した方がいいよ。
何してんだ私。
じゃあ藤野ちゃんはなんで描いてるの？ごめん。なんで？私なんで描いたんだろう。もっと絵
上手くなりたいもん書いても何も役に立たないのに。私部屋から出てよかった。すごく楽しかった。またね。まだね。
If there is one thing you could explain to the American consumer about your business, what would it be?
I would like the consumer to understand that the person that does all the work and has all the investment is doing it literally for nothing, and that the middlemen are getting all the money.
I've been writing about food for 50 years, trying to get Americans to care more about it.
Ruth Reichel, the revered restaurant critic for the New York Times.
Ruth Reichel, Gourmet Magazine editor.
I really can't send cameras to anyone, or, you know.
That's right.
This is what we're stuck with.
COVID was the wake-up call. Our broken food system was exposed. You have restaurants all over the world, right?
Had is a key word there.
The big issue is keeping all of our purveyors alive.
The CEO of Tyson said the American food system is breaking. Yeah, you're right.
The majority of mass agriculture in the United States is all about how cheaply can you produce it. And that's what's gotten us to where we are.
The degree of risk that these folks take on is staggering.
Go to any financial advisor and say, all right, I'm going to risk $8 million this year and I'm going to work 100 hours a week for a $50,000 return. I mean, they're going to tell you you're an idiot.
Farming economics has been stressful. We're at cost of production or less. You know, what is your worth? What's your value?
We understand that model of economics, and we don't want any part of it.
If those senators and representatives are smart, you don't want this country's food supply in limited hands.
When we hired 100 and something young, educated, passionate people, they needed a place to eat and sleep and shop and play. And so we built it.
When you ask the ocean what to grow, the ocean says grow things that won't swim away and you don't have to feed.
When I grew this tomato and I bit into it, it just rocked my world.
And everything is tied to everything else. I don't think of this farm as a factory. I think of it as an organism.
That biodiversity is just waiting for us.
What resulted is a really nice community. It's still tiny, but it's gone from ghost town, literally, to destination in a decade. So I'm very proud of that.